पाई के बारे में बात करते हैं. सो पाई is a mathematical constant. It is defined as ratio of circle circumference to its diameter. Another way of saying the same thing is that if we take a circle of length 1 meter as its diameter, the length of its circumference would be pi meter. Okay, तो जोहान हेनरिच लैम्बर्ट उन्होंने 70-60 में ये प्रूव किया था कि इन 60s में ये प्रूव किया था कि पाई इज़ एन इरेशनल नंबर. So first of all, let's see what a rational number is. A rational number is a number that can be represented in the form a by b, which is ratio. That's why rational. Okay, so which can be represented in form a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. A rational number can also be represented in decimal form. This is a fractional form. Fractional and decimal are just way you can represent a number. Okay, and we can also write a rational number in decimal form. A resulting decimal is a repeating decimal when it comes to rational number. Some examples of rational numbers are 3.14, which we can later write as 3.140000. 22 by 7. Let's see what the actual value of 22 by 7 is. This is right here. 22 by 7 is 3.142857142857. As you can see that a number repeats itself. So yeah, 22 by 7 is a rational number. Okay, now let's talk about irrational number. Irrational numbers are real numbers that cannot be represented as simple fraction. Okay, so it cannot be expressed in the form of ratio such as p by q, and p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. If this condition is not satisfied, we can say that a number is not a rational number or the number is an irrational number. Okay, so let's see some examples of rational irrational numbers. Sine 1, okay, square root of 2, square root of 25, it's a rational number, right? Because square root of 0.25 is 0.5, so square root of 0.25 is not an irrational number, it's a rational number. Another example is 0.10, it goes to infinity. So we have known the pattern, but the pattern doesn't repeat itself, so this number is an irrational number. Okay, let's take a look at pi. I've got this value of pi, so 3.14159265. If we see the pattern, there is no actual pattern except for random numbers, and if we see that there is 1 4 5, there must be 3 somewhere, there is 6, there is 7, there is, so as we can see that it creates a number, all the decimal numbers between 0 and 9. So yeah, pi does create random numbers, that is what we can say, but there is no pattern here. It doesn't end up in a number that repeats itself. Okay, so pi is an irrational number, whereas 22 by 7 is a rational number. So what I'm trying to say is that pi and 22 by 7 are not the same numbers, but 22 by 7 is just an approximate value, that is near value to pi, which is also representable in fractional. So 22 by 7 is not a correct way to find value of pi, but if you want to find the correct value of pi, this is the equation which we can use to get near value to the pi, which is pi square by 6 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, or in simple words, this is the value of pi. It will eventually get you to pi if we follow this loop for infinite. Okay, and which cannot be done. So in a nutshell, we cannot find exact value of pi, that's a fact. Okay, but we can get near it. Okay, another thing is that as you can see that a number is never ever repeated in pi. It means that all the numbers that we can think of are part of pi right here. Okay, everything in this world, starting from your phone number to your password to your email to your Gmail to any language that we speak, any sentence that we speak, anything that we can think of, if it is representable in string, then it is representable in decimal value, then it always is a part of pi, and we can find whichever number we are looking for inside a pi. Another way of saying the same thing is that everything in this world can be fit inside the ratio of circumference to a diameter of a small little circle. Okay, so yeah, that is because pi is an irrational number, but that doesn't mean that each and every irrational number is like that. As we can see that this is also an irrational number which is made of only 1 and 0. It's not a binary, it's actually a decimal number, but it still is an irrational number. But it doesn't mean that each and everything that we can think of is right there in this number. Pi is one of the many irrational numbers which contains each and every number that we can think of inside its value.